Ensure the base layer is free of oil, hollowing, and powdering. The plastering quality must meet intermediary grade standards. Check the flatness and verticality of the base layer using a 2-meter straight edge. Mark horizontal and vertical dividing lines on the wall according to the design drawings and panel specifications. Mix the adhesive mortar according to the specified ratio. Apply adhesive evenly in dots on the back of the panel. Spread a 60 to 80 millimeters wide continuous strip around the panel's perimeter, leaving ventilation gaps. Press the D-Star panel onto the base layer. Align the panel position with the dividing lines to ensure overall flatness and verticality. Install D-Star panels from the bottom up, starting from the corner of the wall or column. Strictly follow the layout lines for positioning. Once positioned, secure the panel with D-Star dedicated anchors. Drill holes at the anchor points using an impact drill. Insert expansion sleeves into the holes. Complete the anchor fixation. Insert polyethylene foam backer rods into the panel joints. Apply painter's tape along both sides of the joint on the decorative surface. Apply sealants into the joints. During application, keep the nozzle deep inside the joint, moving evenly and slowly in a continuous motion. Immediately after applying the sealant, tool the joint smooth in one single direction. Then, remove the painter's tape. Clean off adhesive stains and dirt from the panel edges. Use a cleaning cloth to wipe away any remaining adhesive residue.